welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for being here. Please make sure that you subscribe. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let's get on with the video. Today's video is in partnership with FabFitFun. They sent me a fall box. You guys should definitely go check them out. They have seasonal boxes that are $49.99, but are valued, the products are valued at $200 and more. I have a coupon code that you can use, or you can go find many coupon codes. I'm sure there are a lot of them out there. Mine is Tony. I'm gonna put it right up here. It is Tony, T-O-N-I, with the number 10 after it, and it will save you $10, making the box $39.99. So we're gonna go through the box. I'm gonna show you the products that are in here, and I'm going to put up the prices of each item, and then at the end, that way we can see how much value really is in this box. I would just like to say that I have already looked in this box. Of course I have. There's no way that that's not me. I couldn't stop myself. And it's a great box. I love it a whole lot. I love a lot of things in here, but because the box was given to me, I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. That's right, I'm going to give it to one of you guys. I feel privileged already. I just hit 9,000 subscribers. Shoot, I never thought that I would get 100, let alone 9,000 of you guys. And the whole reason I started the channel was to be able to give back. So I just want to stick to that. So I will be giving this box away, and I'll let you know how you can enter the giveaway at the end of the video. So let's get into the box. I got a tiny little table up here, guys, sorry. And there's the box, the magazine. I'm gonna leave this stuff, will go everything in the box. I'm gonna keep everything in the box. The whole box is gonna go. So, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Because I am gonna be giving the box away, I'm not gonna open up any of the products. I'm just gonna show you guys what they are and put up the actual price of the product. The first thing is this mini eye essentials. You can do like a smoky eye look with it. You can probably do well, it shows on the back, you can do your eyebrows. You can put just some thick little freckles on your face. It's really cute. Next we have some ear crawlers. Very pretty. Also, you guys, if you hear like a low humming sound, I have an AC unit on over here. If you follow me on my Instagram, then you know that I have been having a lot of trouble with my AC unit going out on me, so please ignore that. Next we have some daily hair repair. Okay, next up we got some human kind skincare. It's got a seal on it, so I'm not gonna take that off. So I don't know what it smells like. Next we got exfoliating sugar cubes. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but this is what they look like. It says to take it in the shower or the tub with you, and you exfoliate your skin with it. Nice. Next we have a aromatherapy deep relax roller ball. I will open this. Smells nice. Again, this is what it looks like. A wallet. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. It's really nice. I'm not sure what kind of wallet it is. I'm not sure if it's a purse wallet or maybe a bathroom wallet, like where you can keep some bathroom like toiletries in it or something. The last thing in the box, besides these, I'll leave those in there. They get everywhere. My cats tear them to pieces. This is in a very nice velvet case. It's heavy. This is my absolute favorite thing in the whole box. One item to me would be worth $50, but if you do go on there and you want to purchase the box, you can use my code and save $10 on there. I'm sure you've seen it. I probably already popped it up several times throughout this entire video. You guys don't have to use it, but if you're going to purchase a box, why not save $10, right? The total retail value of this box is gonna be right here, and it's 100% worth the money, worth the $50 you spend on it. Especially if you're gonna use a code, there's several coupon codes out there that you can use, that you can find and use if you don't want to use mine, and save you $10, and then that will put it at $39.99. So definitely worth the money spent. I do think it is a subscription, so you will get a box every season. This is a fall box, then you'll get a winter box. So I was looking on there, and you can cancel it anytime you want to. You do not have to get the next box if you don't want to. It will give you the option of picking some of the items to go in your box. I'm so happy that they sent the box to me to begin with. I was so excited. I was so happy about it, because it makes me even happier to be able to give it to you guys. If you want to enter my giveaway to get this box, then you have to subscribe to my channel. You have to like the video, leave me a comment and let me know that you are interested in. And you also will have to go over and follow me on my Instagram account as well. There will be a post up. You'll see it. I'll have a picture with the box in it and everything. And then like that photo as well. I know that sounds like a lot, but not going to be my last giveaway, guys. I 100% promise you that. And I'm trying to get my YouTube and my Instagram, you know, I'm trying to build it up and get more of you guys to follow me and to watch me. That way I can give back more to you guys. And also I'd like to say, unfortunately, because I do not have a whole lot of money that I can only offer this box to people who live in the United States, because I did check and man, you guys, it costs a fortune to send outside of the United States. It is freaking crazy. I have 2 more videos that are planned and they're coming up, so you definitely want to stick around and see those as well. There's some great items that's in those videos as well. I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much, everybody who is already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for helping me get to 9,000, and I hope to keep going, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to go check out their website. I'm gonna put it right here. You can use my coupon code if you want to. I'm gonna put it up here. It is Toni, T-O-N-I, with the number 10, and it will save you $10 off of the $50 box. Make sure that you are subscribed if you want to enter the giveaway, or if you just want to subscribe because you like me and want to see me make more videos and get better at this. And give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and that's all I got to say. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.